What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing a package of clone troopers because me personally, I am a clone geek and Star Wars geek. I know a lot about the Clone Wars. I've seen all the movies and stuff. I've seen Rise of Skywalker and all that other stuff. So I ordered 5 clones. This video might not be that special because the clones are kind of, but eventually I'll order some good clones, some commanders, captains, sergeants, all that good stuff. So I'll eventually get one of them, and I'll be doing an unboxing video just like this one. So please leave a like for that, and subscribe down below for more unboxing videos. See ya. Alright guys, that's it. Just this plain thing. I don't want to turn it over because stuff is on there. But I'm gonna be opening this and should have my clones in there. If not, well, I'm going to be very, very sad because I had to wait at least 2 weeks till these came in. So pretty glad these came in today. So yeah, I ordered them a couple weeks ago, and I needed them for my clone army that I have. I'll do another video on that. But okay, this thing's good. How is this tape? That's it. But I will order some more clones after this, and so eventually we will have a big clone army. Alright, there's that. Put that off to the side. And then throw that to the side. And okay. Kind of see a little hand right there. And I can see them. Oh, whoops. Slipped. And there they are. They're just 5 normal plain clones. I really needed some plain clones because I only had 2 of them because I bought at a young age that Clone Wars battle pack with that little walker thingy, and it came with the commander, gunner, and 2 clones. And so I still have the 2 clones, but I painted one. He's kind of cool. Y'all might not think he's that cool, but I think he's kind of cool. And so I just needed some more, plain troopers for my army. So glad the eBay thing came through. So I'll show you guys these. So yeah, pretty brand new. Pretty brand spanking new. Have some visors. I'm creating like this cool little squad because I have that battle pack of I also have that battle pack of ARC troopers, those magenta looking ARC troopers, and so I had a few like visors or whatever just laying around, and I really did so I thought it'd be pretty cool to make a little, little like Squad Legion kind of thing. Let's make a little agent. And so I'll show you guys those. I have about 3 of the visors. I have like 3 magenta visors and about 1 antenna. And so I'll show you guys that. First, that's about the order. So, 2, 5 plain ordinary clone troopers. I will be getting some clone commanders like CAC trooper. And yeah, I think they'll turn out pretty cool. So I just hope that I'll be able to get those guys eventually. But I'm gonna go get the visors for you guys. Alright guys, I have the visors right here in this little Ziploc bag. I didn't realize though I had two of these, I'll show you guys, gray visors. I don't know, they're definitely those older visors. 2008 maybe, I don't know. I'm not good with dates on Legos, but it's a gray little visor. It's pretty cool. But what I was focusing on are these magenta visors. I do have one clone like these that has this on it, and so I'm gonna show you guys. Give me a second. Oops. As you can see, I'm pretty sure this is one of the because I only had two plain clones, so this could be one from the battle pack that I bought with the little walker. And so I just thought that having a little, squad would be pretty cool. I have my eyes on this, you guys may not know the set, but some of you might. The 501st ATRT set. So at the time of this recording, there's an auction going on for it, and it's selling for it's bidding on a cheap price. So there's that guy. So they're going for, it's on a cheap price right now, and I'm really hoping I could get my hands on it and win the auction, and then show it to you guys if I get it. But fingers crossed. I mean, these guys are pretty nice, if I don't say so. You can see on their helmets, I don't know if you can see, but they're pretty brand new. Way more shiny than my older one. Way more shiny. So, might call these guys some shinies. That's the head. I showed you guys that before, but all of them have this older style head, which you love to see. So unfortunately, I don't have the whole 5 of these guys' visors. I have three guys are able to have visors. Yeah, I can't speak. 1, 2, 3. Then I have this little antenna. This little magenta antenna. So I thought he'd be pretty cool. But I might buy some more, because I might have to buy some more plane troopers if I'm gonna make an army. So I can't really get it in there. Oh, there we go. Yep, just so hard, but recon looking trooper. So, but I mean, I could put because I also have a not gray, but black antenna and 2 gray visors. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with those. I might just have them as spare, and then if I need it for a CAC trooper or any other trooper I might get, then I'll definitely put those on. Ooh. Definitely put those on. But we just have one just plain trooper without anything on him. Nothing special. But overall, I think this is a pretty good haul. So, I have a total of 6 troopers, 3 spare helmet attachments. I love expanding an army. I like the clone troopers. I mean, they're just so clean. They're just better than regular battle droids. I have about like 6 regular, or no, maybe like 4 regular battle droids, a super droid, 2 or 3 commando droids, or like one of them is a captain. What else do I have? I have like 2 pilot droids, and I don't know. But I'll definitely put those in my next video. But if we could get this this video to at least 5 likes or 10 likes, I don't know, then I'll definitely get some more troopers. So yeah, that's my haul. It's not, that great of a haul. It's just plain troopers, as I said. But I mean, you gotta start somewhere. So I'll definitely keep looking on different websites to find a good bargain for troopers. So yeah, that's about it. So please like and subscribe to the channel for more. And catch you guys in the next one. Bye.